Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off sensitive chat on Valorant. So go to settings and open settings and go to controls. Then you are going to go to communication, and then if your explicit language filter is on, that means it'll filter out like sensitive chats. If it is off, then it won't filter it. So this is your, like, you can choose between on and off. Again, if you enable it, it'll filter explicit language on Valorant on the text chat. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!